A is for apples, red and sweet. B is for birds that chirp and tweet. C is for cats who love to play. D is for dogs that run all day. Come and sing, come along. Let's all learn the alphabet song. Letters big and letters small. Let's have fun and learn them all. E is for elephants big and strong. F is for fish that swim along. G is for gardens full of bees. H is for houses tall as trees. Come and sing, come along. Let's all learn the alphabet song. Letters big and letters small. Let's have fun and learn them all. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jam, a yummy treat. K is for kites that fly so high. L is for laughter reaching the sky. M, N, O, let's go, go!